Hand Claude to two creators. One uses it to write slightly better captions. The other uses it to run their entire content stream. Scripts, research, analytics, all of it on the free plan and in the same time that it takes to finish your coffee. Same free chatbots. The only difference is they have 7 habits that the other 99% do not have. I'm going to give you all 7, every prompt on screen. And the fair one in here is habit 4 is going to feel like cheating. Now, let's get right into it. The first habit. The same way you wouldn't hire someone and not tell them what your brand is about, that's the same way you deal with Claude. So stop opening blank chats. Open Claude, the left sidebar, projects. Open your channel's project and chat from inside it. The project is your new hires onboarding folder, your brand voice document, your audience notes, your topic lists. Everything you need Claude to know is inside it. Claude answers like a team member who reads the file, because that's what it would do before it gives you any output. Outside it, it answers like a stranger. The proof? Same requests, 2 places. First, a plain chat. Write a community post announcing my next video to my subscribers. That's a generic press release. Now, the same prompt, inside my project, my tone, my channel sign-off. That's the difference between a post you quietly delete and the one you should actually hit publish on. Same 10 seconds of typing. My last video builds on this onboarding folder. In 10 minutes, the card's on screen, but the onboarded team member is only as good as the brief you give it. Habit 2. A good team member asks questions before doing the work. So make Claude do the same. Say, before you write anything, interview me about this video idea. Ask me 5 questions, one at a time, then build the outline from my answers. That's it. Simple. You talk, it listens, and the outline comes back built from your stories and your opinions instead of the internet. This is the fastest way to stop sounding like an AI or sounding generic. The outline comes back usable just on the first try instead of the 5th rewrites. Habit 3. Repurposing. This is the job you should have delegated months ago. So after you publish your video, click Show Transcript on your video and copy it and hand it over. Turn this transcript into 3 Instagram captions, 5 short tips for X, a 200-word newsletter intro, and a Pinterest pin description. Keep my exact voice and don't invent anything I didn't see. That's it. And then you have 9 pieces of content from a single video you made in just about a minute. To write this by hand would take the most of your afternoon. And honestly, if you're on the free plan, the long transcripts can hit your free plan limits quickly. So it's best to paste it in halves so it doesn't. But if you're on the pro plan, you probably won't have this issue. Habit 4 is a cheating one. It's the reason this video exists at all. Before we go into it, every prompt in this video is written out in my free brand voice kits. The link is in the description. Habit 4. Send your new team member to do competitor research. Open a big video in your niche, copy 20 to 30 comments, and paste in Claude. Then type, here are comments from a popular video in my niche. These are the questions people keep asking that the video never answered. Rank is by how often they come up. Now, you get a round list of questions that your audience are begging for and not getting answers to. No guessing, no trend chasing. This exact video was chosen this way from the comments of a 60,000 viewed video in my niche. It felt like I was cheating, but no, I was just listening at scale. Habit 5. Never let Claude hand you one draft. End every creative request with, give me 3 versions, 1 safe, 1 bold, and 1 a little weird. The safe one is the one you would want to write yourself. The bold one usually wins. The weird one exists because occasionally it is the idea that nobody in your niche has the nerve to post. The truth is, an employee who brings options beats employees who bring answers. The same rule just applies here. Habit 6. Every Monday morning, a good team member tells you how the last week went. The same should apply to Claude. Screenshot your YouTube Studio overview and drag it into the project. Type, explain this in plain English. What's working? What's not? And what is the one thing I should change in my next video? The confusing metrics become one sentence that you can actually act on. 6 habits in, and you've got a team member that writes, repurposes, researches, and reports. Habit 7 is the one that turns all of this into subscribers. Habit 7, the promotion. Let Claude build actual deliverables. Say, build me a one-page checklist of these 7 habits that my viewers can save as a clean, shareable document. A panel opens beside the chat called an artifact, and the document gets built right in front of you. Checklists, templates, calendars, simple web pages. This is how creators make the freebies that turn viewers into subscribers. The kind of thing that used to mean hiring a designer, built in the time that it takes to read the sentence. No designer, no code. The free kits in my description started exactly this way. So that's the whole system. 7 habits, 1 free chatbot, a whole content team. Pick one and try it today. Then tell me in the comments which job you handled first. And if you want the piece it all sits on, teaching Claude to sound like you, that's the video right here. The tool is free, and it's the same for everyone. The only edge left is you. Now, go use it.